Unicorn Fun Girl here, and I decided to make a quick video because I told you guys that an order was gonna come, but it came way too late because Banggood, yeah. This is not a sponsored video, but Banggood comes through. Like, it has the cheapest squishies ever, but it does take a long time. For me, it took like 4 weeks. And yeah, and funny story really, my mom told me to get a package from downstairs because she said, oh, wonder if something that she ordered came, but then mine came and I was like, oh. So I already opened some of them, so I couldn't wait. So the first one up is the main one, the panda bun. And I pulled it out too quickly and I ripped it on. Look, it's a little band, but I don't care. At least I have a panda bun, and it comes with a cell phone strap that you can easily take out and save it or hold it, and it smells so good. Look at that! Oh my gosh, I can't even. Like, panda buns are like is the one that you have to have for a squishy collection. Like, even though if you're starting off for a squishy collection, like, you have to have this one. So the next one is this Hello Kitty loaf, and I couldn't. It was so cute. I mean, it's not as slow rising. I mean, it is slow rising, but I love it. You guys can't tell, I'm so happy right now. So the next one I pull out is this muffin, and the smell, I'm not too pleasured with it. It smells like if have you ever gotten like Michael's squishies and they smell a little funky, they smell weird, but it's so soft and I love it. The only reason that it took so long is because these are from China Post. And last but not least, yeah, this is the last one. Got some stuff in the middle. Okay, so is this Hello Kitty Sweet Cafe donut, and I'm like, I had to get it. Like, oh my gosh. And this is the tag. And wow, it's licensed. Look at that. And it says it right there. I don't know, you guys tell me if it's licensed or not, but these are all my squishies, and this is one of them. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, I did not smell that. It smells so good. But my favorite one has to be the panda bun, but it's the panda bun because it's so sticky. I'm gonna have to order more of these. I can't. Where is the cell phone strap? Oh, it's right here. Okay. So with the cell phone strap, you can easily just click it because it has a hole. And there you go. Look at that adorable face. And I don't even care that it's ice whip. I just love it. The loaf bread, the ones that smell good are these two, but I haven't smelled them. This one smells good too. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't even speak. Watching, and tell me on the comments down below which one was your favorite squishy. My favorite obviously is the panda bun again, but obviously if somebody was gonna pick out of these, Obviously, they're gonna say panda bun, but I think my favorite is the Hello Kitty loaf. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe to become an official unicorn. I did not bring a unicorn today because I was in the middle of doing my homework. So thank you guys so much for watching, and